Microwaves, the trusty sidekicks in our kitchens, reheating leftovers, defrosting dinners, and sometimes even serving up surprisingly delicious popcorn. Here's a deep dive into the top 5 microwaves of 2024, along with insights to help you find your perfect match. Number 1. Toshiba 7-in-1 Countertop Microwave. The Toshiba 7-in-1 boasts versatility, offering microwave, grill, bake, air fry, toast, defrost, and reheat functions. Perfect for small kitchens or those who crave multifunctionality. Experience: this microwave is a jack of all trades, but be mindful, mastering each function might take some practice. Reviews suggest the air fryer function is impressive, delivering crispy results. However, the size might be limiting for larger families. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Countertop Microwave Oven. Simple and user-friendly, the Hamilton Beach prioritizes ease of use. Featuring a straightforward interface and sensor cooking options, it's ideal for those who prefer a no-fuss approach. Experience: this microwave excels in reheating and basic defrosting. While it lacks the bells and whistles of some competitors, it delivers consistent performance at a budget-friendly price. Number 3. Whirlpool Over-the-Range Microwave Oven. This space-saving option by Whirlpool mounts seamlessly above your range, freeing up counter space. It boasts impressive ventilation capabilities and often comes with sensor cooking and various power levels. Experience: over-the-range microwaves are great for maximizing space, but their venting function can be noisy. Consider its height. Make sure you can comfortably reach the controls. Number 4. LG Built-in Microwave and Speed Oven. For the tech-savvy and speed demons, LG's built-in microwave with speed oven technology is a dream come true. This powerhouse combines microwave functionality with rapid baking and roasting capabilities, perfect for busy households. Experience: LG's offering is undeniably impressive, but it comes with a hefty price tag. The speed oven function is a game changer, but its complexity might deter those who prefer a simpler approach. Number 5. Panasonic Home Chef 4-in-1 Microwave Oven. Panasonic's Home Chef offers a compelling combination of microwave, convection baking, inverter technology for even cooking, and a sensor reheat function. This well-rounded option caters to those who desire versatility without overwhelming complexity. Experience: this microwave strikes a nice balance between features and ease of use. The inverter technology is a big plus for even cooking, and the sensor reheat function ensures perfectly warmed leftovers.